What is a feedback control system? Let us consider a situation in which a person has to bathe. Now, if it is a cold country, the person would prefer to have mildly warm water. He would adjust hot and cold faucets to fill the container with water at desired temperature. The person would then sense the temperature of water in container, and based on the feedback, the action would be performed by brain. He would further adjust the tap. Here, brain works as a feedback control system. Similarly, feedback control system takes the system output into consideration, which enables the system to adjust its performance to meet a desired output response. So now we shall discuss the feedback control system with the help of a system we are trying to control. The system here is plant and a sensor, such that the latter measures what the control system is doing. The input to the plant is usually called the control effort, and the output of the sensor is usually called the measured output. The sensor measures the output of the system we are controlling. Further, to control the system, we need to use the information provided by the sensor. This output is subtracted from the input, and thus an error signal is generated that's used for further controlling operations. Finally, the last part of this system is the controller. The controller has two things to achieve. First is to compute what the control error should be, and second, it has to apply the computed control effort. If the gain in the forward path from the error to the output is large, then a small error can produce a much larger output. The related terms are